Rivers are the main contributors to ocean plastic pollution, acting as pathways for waste from land to sea. Our research shows that 1,000 rivers are responsible for about 80% of river pollution. Each year, marine plastics cost the economy between $6 billion and $19 billion, affecting tourism, fisheries, aquaculture, and cleanups. This doesn't even cover the impact on our health and marine ecosystems. It's much cheaper to intercept plastic in rivers than to deal with the problems it causes downstream. But how's the world tackling this problem? No two rivers are alike. Factors such as river width, depth, flow speed, debris composition, seasonality, and tides, they all play a significant role in determining the success of a river intervention. To address these varying conditions, we've developed a range of technology solutions that span from high-tech to low-tech options. For example, in wide and fast-flowing rivers, we might deploy advanced systems equipped with sensors and automated collection mechanisms. In narrow or slower rivers, simpler barriers or manual collection methods may be more effective. We also have to consider seasonal changes, like increased flow during rainy periods or reduced flow during dry season, to ensure our solutions remain effective year-round. Additionally, tidal influences can affect how and when debris is transported, requiring us to adjust our strategies accordingly. The Dutch nonprofit helmed by Boy & Slot aims to reduce 90% of plastic trash in the world's ocean by 2040. Named the Interceptor, this boat is designed to collect plastic trash as it floats down rivers and into the sea. The vessel is the latest project from the Ocean Cleanup, a Dutch nonprofit organization led by eco-engineering wonderkind Boy & Slot, whose goal is no less than a 90% reduction of plastic trash in the world's oceans by 2040. This project is considered one of the most realistic and promising to date. The Interceptor Original is the Ocean Cleanup's first river cleanup technology, unveiled in 2019. It's 100% solar-powered and extracts plastic autonomously, allowing for quicker deployment. The Interceptor Original is designed for series production, enabling a more rapid rollout of the technology. In December 2020, the Ocean Cleanup partnered with Konecranes, which handles the manufacturing series production. River waste flowing with the current is guided by a barrier towards the opening of the Interceptor. Thanks to its catamaran design, the water flow path is optimized to pass through the system, carrying the plastic onto a conveyor belt. The current moves the debris onto this conveyor belt, which continuously extracts the debris from the water and delivers it to a shuttle. The shuttle then automatically distributes the debris across 6 dumpsters. Using sensor data, the containers are filled equally until they reach full capacity. The Interceptor can store up to 50 cubic meters of trash before needing to be emptied, making it capable of operating even in the most polluted rivers worldwide. The Ocean Cleanup is committed to continually evolving and expanding its portfolio of solutions. By tailoring their approach to the specific characteristics of each river, the Ocean Cleanup maximizes the effectiveness of its interventions and contributes significantly to the global effort to reduce plastic pollution in our oceans. But this isn't their only solution. The Interceptor Barrier is another standalone floating barrier anchored in a U shape around the mouth of a small river. It intercepts trash and holds it until removal. This design builds on the Ocean Cleanup's experience from existing Interceptor deployments and is a variation of the barrier used to concentrate trash towards a standard Interceptor. The main difference is that most of this barrier is permeable, optimizing it to efficiently hold trash in the water. The Interceptor tender was developed to work alongside the Ocean Cleanup's Interceptor barriers. This small-powered barge uses a conveyor belt to scoop up trash from a barrier and offload it into a dumpster on shore. While the Interceptor Barrier intercepts trash, it can extract and offload it on its own. That's where the Interceptor tender comes in. Developed in collaboration with Berkey GmbH, this mobile extraction and offloading unit can service multiple barriers. With multiple Interceptor Barrier deployments often close to each other, the cost of extraction and offloading equipment is shared across several Interceptor sites. The Interceptor Barricade was installed for testing in the Rio Las Vacas, Guatemala in late May 2023. This initiative aims to address the annual tsunamis of trash that flood down the river during the rainy season, posing a significant environmental challenge. The Ocean Cleanup developed this new Interceptor concept specifically for this location to withstand the exceptional high-pressure events associated with seasonal floods. The Interceptor Barricade consists of 2 booms, one positioned upstream and the other downstream. The upstream boom is designed to take on the majority of the pressure and capture most of the waste. Its placement is strategic, as this location is best suited for effective plastic extraction. The boom is anchored securely to withstand the strong currents and large volumes of debris that rush down the river during the rainy season. By intercepting the bulk of the waste at this point, the upstream boom significantly reduces the amount of plastic that continues downstream. However, due to the high-pressure buildup and rapid trash accumulation in this uniquely challenging river, some plastic inevitably escapes the upstream boom. This is where the downstream boom comes into play. Positioned further down the river, it acts as a secondary line of defense, capturing any plastic missed or lost by the upstream boom. This two-tiered approach ensures a higher overall capture rate of plastic waste, making the system more effective in this demanding environment. The development and installation of the Interceptor barricade involved extensive engineering and environmental considerations. The ocean cleanup team conducted thorough site assessments to understand the river's flow patterns, debris types, and seasonal variations. This data informed the design of the booms, ensuring they could handle the specific conditions of the Rio Las Vacas. The materials used for the booms were selected for their durability and ability to withstand the harsh conditions of the river during the rainy season. The Interceptor Guard was first deployed in the D'Aguilar Gully, Kingston Harbor, Jamaica, as part of the ocean cleanup's ongoing efforts to combat plastic pollution. This innovative solution is specifically designed for shallow waters, making it ideal for environments where traditional barriers and interceptors may not be suitable. The Interceptor Guard's ability to beach without suffering structural damage is a key feature, allowing it to operate effectively even in the fluctuating water levels and challenging conditions often found in shallow gullies. One of the significant advantages of the Interceptor Guard is its versatility. While it functions effectively on its own, it can also be used in combination with the Interceptor Barrier, serving as a no-return boom. This dual application is particularly useful in situations where wind and waves can push trash beyond the reach of the interceptor tender, complicating extraction and processing. In these instances, the Interceptor Guard can be strategically placed to prevent captured trash from flowing back upstream, ensuring that the collected debris remains contained and can be efficiently removed. The deployment in D'Aguilar Gully provided valuable insights into the practical applications and effectiveness of the Interceptor Guard. The site was chosen due to its challenging conditions, including shallow waters, variable flow rates, and the impact of tidal movements. These factors make traditional waste collection methods less effective, highlighting the need for a solution like the Interceptor Guard. By placing the Interceptor Guard in this environment, the ocean cleanup team was able to test and refine its capabilities, ensuring it could withstand and operate efficiently under such harsh conditions. The Interceptor Guard's design incorporates robust materials and engineering principles that allow it to endure the harsh conditions often found in polluted gullies. Its structure is built to be resilient against the constant wear and tear caused by debris, water flow, and environmental factors. The ability to beach without structural impact means that even when water levels drop, the Interceptor Guard remains operational and effective in capturing trash. In combination with the Interceptor Barrier, the Interceptor Guard enhances the overall efficiency of the waste collection system. The Interceptor Barrier captures the bulk of the debris flowing down the gully, while the Interceptor Guard ensures that any trash pushed by wind or waves does not escape back upstream. This integrated approach maximizes the amount of plastic waste collected and minimizes the risk of recontamination. Moreover, the use of sensor technology allows for real-time monitoring and adjustments, ensuring that the Interceptor Guard and Barrier are always operating at peak efficiency. This data-driven approach not only improves the immediate effectiveness of the cleanup efforts, but also provides valuable information for future deployments in similar environments. The ocean cleanup currently has 15 interceptors deployed across 8 countries, each strategically placed to maximize their effectiveness in reducing plastic pollution in rivers and oceans. To keep track of both upcoming and deployed interceptor solutions, you can view our dashboard. In Jakarta, Indonesia, the first interceptor, known as Interceptor 001, is deployed in the Sengkurang Drain. This initial deployment helped pave the way for subsequent installations. In Malaysia, Interceptor 002 and Interceptor 005 are operational in the Klang River, with each version representing advancements in our technology. Vietnam hosts Interceptor 003 in the Kanto River, and the Dominican Republic has Interceptor 004 working in the Rio Ozama, both being part of our second-generation Interceptor Original series. Guatemala's Rio Las Vacas is home to Interceptor 006, an interceptor barricade specifically designed to handle the high-pressure flow of trash during the rainy season. In the United States, Interceptor 007 operates in Bologna Creek, Los Angeles. marking our expansion into North America with the third-generation Interceptor Original. Jamaica's Kingston Harbor sees a concentrated effort with Interceptors 008 through 014. This deployment includes a combination of Interceptor Barriers, Interceptor Tenders, and Interceptor Guards, showcasing a comprehensive approach to tackling pollution in the region. Each of these technologies works together to intercept, extract, and prevent trash from escaping back upstream. Finally, in Thailand, Interceptor 019 is deployed in the Khao Phraya River in Bangkok. This third-generation Interceptor Original continues our mission in Asia, addressing one of the region's significant sources of riverine plastic pollution. We're committed to releasing 2 videos a week. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more visionary builds.